Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be doing an intro video for beginners. If you're a beginner, you want to start baking, or you're a cake lover, you want to start baking at home, baking for your family, or starting it as a business, there are little things you need to know about baking. But for now, I'm going to introduce you to the equipment, things you'll be needing for baking. At least if you want to start at home, there are necessary ones and important ones you need to get at least and start right from your house. You can start your own cake business right from your house without extra. Start baking for your church members, your friends and family. From there, they will refer you to this, to that, and to this. And you, before you know it, you'll go viral. Okay, let's dive into that. There are a lot of things. There is no cake baking without pan. What you see in here is a set of pan. This is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some come 6 and others. Different sizes. Okay? You can get love shape. This one is like a bread pan. You can also use it to do like a cake loaf. This one is for queen cake or queen cake. I don't know, but it's for little cakes that you can sell. We have what we call foreign pan. This is foreign pan. This is a set. This for pillow cake. Pillow cakes, you see what it is, the pan for it. The only thing is that local pans are cheaper than foreign. Like this one goes for 9,000 naira, while you can get a set of local pan for 3,000 naira or 2,500. This one, I think I got it for 2,500 or I think it's 2,500. So you can get this one as for 2,500. If this one wants to construct the pillow one for you, it's still okay. But as a beginner, you just want to start at home and start baking, please, you can get this one. The set is cool. If you don't want to get a set, you can go ahead and buy one. Some people sell one, or you can look for people that construct it. They can get one for you. It's still okay by me. So the next thing, you need a bowl. You need a bowl. It's very. This bowl is okay. You can use it with your spatula. This spatula, or you use your tongari. You know what to call tongari now, and use this for creaming of sugar and butter. You can use for a beginner. You want to start baking at home. You don't have a mixer. You don't have a hand mixer. You can start with this. You can use it and cream your butter. In you will see some of my videos. You will see me using this to cream butter. Why in some you will see me using mixer. This one is the one we call hand mixer. This one is hand mixer. You can say it's hand mixer. You fix all this right there. You fix it and use it and cream your butter. This one is another one. A little easy and a little easier. How will I explain it? It's faster. It helps you to cream your butter fast. You can use it with your bowl and cream your sugar and butter together, but you still need to use your hand and hold the mixer. That's just the difference between this and standing mixer. We have another one we call standing mixer. You can see it. This one comes with a bowl. You can see. Okay, you just put your sugar and butter and go and rest, or margarine and go and rest. It will just cream it. Just that's why they call it standing mixer. You just come and check whether it's good to go. That is all. So if you don't have money to get a standing mixer, this one goes for around 70 something thousand right now, or 60 something. If you don't have it, you can get this one 9,000, depending on the particular brand or particular company. So you can get from 5,000 upwards to 10,000, depending on the size and the company name. Okay, if you don't have this, the hand one, you don't have the standing one, please, you are good to go. As a beginner, use this. It's still the same result, just that this one can waste time, no problem. As a beginner, you don't have the money for standing mixer, you don't have for your hand mixer, please use this. You're good to go. Your cake will still be fluffy, soft and nice. Okay, we have our rolling pin. This is a local one. These are a wooden rolling pin. This is the first one I bought before this. This one is the more recent one I got now. So either you go for this one is very cheap, either 500 or 700 in the market. Why this? You can get it around 2,500, 3,000, or even 3,500 now. So you can get this as a beginner. You don't have money to buy so many things. Please buy this. It's very, very okay. You can go with it, do what you want to do. Perfect. It will still give you the same result with this. Okay, and that is that. For our pastries, you can get meat pie cutter. If you want to do your meat pie, this is meat pie cutter. Very cheap. This I think is 700 in the market. These of the different. This one is a bigger size. This one is a medium one. So you can get different sizes if you want. If you just want one, depending on what you want. This for meat pie cutting, and this very important for a beginner. You need to do the number one thing you need to get your this thing, get your pans, set of pan, and you get your missing this thing is called measuring cup. It comes with spoon. You can see mine. This is the one I'm using. This is it. It comes together. This is the one that I have not opened. You can get it to 1,800, 900, depending on where you're staying. But right here in Calabar, depending on where you're buying from. So this is measuring spoons and cups. So feel free to buy it. It's very, very important. As a beginner, you need this. Okay. Another thing you need. Another thing you'll be looking at is scale. This is called digital scale. This is a digital one. It reads like clock, watch or clock. I don't know how to explain, but it's a digital scale. This one is a plastic one. It's still okay. This one is cheaper, around 2,025. You can get it depending on where you're staying. Why this digital one goes for 10,000 naira? Why they have a bigger one? This one is a bigger one, so you can also get it depending on what you want. But as a beginner, please get this small one. This one is pretty fine. It will serve you. You can. It's better to measure small, small than not having a scale. At least if you have your 2,025, you can get it depending on your location where you're staying. At least if you're with 25, I think you will get this plastic scale. That is that. Another thing you'll be needing a fondant cutter. You'll be needing smoothener. So many things here. Help me with concept. This a trimming knife. You can buy a longer one. You can buy a shorter one. No wahala. But the main thing is, so far knife is nice. So far is a cake knife. It will still serve you. Also, this is called rolling turntable. We use it when we are baking our cake or decorating our cake. It helps us uh, to reach out to all the part of other cake. I don't know where you're getting it. Maybe you want to decorate this side now. You have to turn over to this so that you'll be able to reach out to that particular side you want to decorate. So this called turntable. You still need it, but as a beginner, it's not a must. It's not a must. But if you're going into business, cake business, you need a turntable. So the next thing you need, this one is called scraper. It helps you for decorating your butter icing. You need it to scrape around your butter icing. This one is decoration comb. You can use it to create effects or design on your cake. This is and the iron one. Why you have your plum, you can get it in building material shop on all that. It's very cheap, 500. So this is mainly for people that are going into cake business. But if you're not going into cake business, you just want to be baking small, small in your house. Number one thing you need is cake pan, your scale, the small scale, and you need your measuring cups, and you need this. That is all. If you don't even have an oven, no problem. I will give you a video where you can bake with pots. Learn how to be where you will see how I baked with pots. So feel free. If you have only this and you have your measuring cup, you have your scale, you have your pan, you're good to go. You can start baking in your house. But if you're going into business, you don't have the money to buy everything at once. Feel free to be buying it one after the other. Before you know it, your house will be filled up with cake equipment. So that is, I don't want to make this video very long. Thank you so much for joining this group. Please feel free to invite your friends because I'll be giving you free tutorial in this particular group, WhatsApp group. Share the link. I will drop the link. Make sure, feel free to share. Invite your friend because you'll be getting free classes here. I just want to equip you this 2022. I just want someone to get a skill. I just want someone to be serious. I don't want someone that has been admiring cake from afar to start baking. Thank you so much from Progress.